Hello, this is Chuck Winkelmann, here to explain Problem 1 on Chapter 25, Paper Homework. The problem reads, the picture shows the Orion constellation, Orion's belt on graphing paper. Calculate the electric potential energy of the configuration if each star on the graph is substituted by an electron and the declination/right ascension are rescaled to 0.1 meters per small division. Zooming in on the photograph here, I labeled each one of the electrons 1 through 7. I then counted the distances between the nearest electrons. The fundamental equation I used in this problem is U equals K times Q1 times Q2 over R, where U is the potential energy, Q1 and Q2 are the charges of the electrons, and R is the distance between them. This is my process for each electron. As you can see, I took K, Q1, and Q out, as they are all constants. I then have 1 over R2, 1 over R3, so on, plus 1 over R7, all added together, where R2 is this distance between electron 1 and electron 2, R3 is the distance between electron 1 and electron 3, and so on. To calculate the radius, you have to go back to the graph and do a Pythagorean theorem, where this is the distance. From there, it's all plug and chug, and I got to the answer U1 equals 5.37 times 10 to the negative 28th joules. The process is essentially the same for electron 2, however you see that I do not have a 1 over R1 here. This is because I accounted for electron 1 and electron 2, the potential between them, in my first calculation, so I do not need to include it in my calculation for electron 2. From there, it's all the same process, and I got to this answer. To electron 7, however, you can see that I stated no calculations needed. This is because I accounted for the potential between electron 7 and every other electron in all of my previous calculations, as seen here, 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 and so on. So I denoted that potential of 7 equals 0. The final step of this is U total equals U1 plus U2, so on, plus U7. From here, it's all, again, just plug and chug, where I took answers from above here and placed them here. And then, as you can see, 0 for 7, as stated previous. Plug and chug, and you get to the final answer of U total equals 2.985 times 10 to the negative 27th joules.